Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy Tezos in cryptocurrency in the Revolut app. So first of all, you gotta go to the wealth section. Here, as you can see, there are different options: stocks, crypto, commodities, and vaults. Obviously, if we want to buy cryptocurrency, we go to the crypto section, go to invest. If you want to see all the crypto options that are available in this app, go to discover all crypto. And down here we can find Tezos. Go to Tezos, tap on buy, and here you have two choices. You can either set the amount of Tezos that you want to buy. As you can see, if you want to buy one Tezos, it would be $4 or $3.99. The price is always changing because it's a volatile market, obviously. Or you can set the amount of money that you want to invest in this cryptocurrency. So I will change to my Romanian account. Then if I want to buy Tezos for 1 Romanian lei, I would get 0.061400 Tezos. Let's go and buy this. Here you will find all the regulations regarding this transaction, but I would recommend you to read these if this is your first time investing in cryptocurrency. I already read them, so I won't read it now. Go to confirm order, and as you can see, we just bought 0.061 Tezos. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. It would really help me out. And see you in the next one. Have a beautiful day.